Dot. This. Today, I'm gonna try a Filipino street food with my brother with a chicken head. This one is the chicken head, and the chicken feet is this one, and the famous one.
Isaw.
Isaw. And this one is the egg that is boiled.
Cool.
And it's called balut. Let's just do it. And the first thing I'm gonna try is the chicken egg.
That's a duck egg.
What? Duck egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
No.
okay. We eat duck egg.
Are you kidding me? Gross.
Oh, sige, that's a chicken egg. Yeah, like that. Okay.
Yeah. Eee.
No, just drink the sabaw. There is a sabaw.
There is no sabaw. Guys, this is actually very gross. It
Oh,
feels
don't say
weird.
that.
It feels very weird. Bruh. Bruh. I thought this was going to be a chicken egg.
Yeah, it smells good, right?
No!
Just try it now.
I'm gonna put a whole entire thing. We're gonna try the chicken feet.
Oh, see, there's the sabaw. You drink the sabaw.
Drink it. No, you're wasting it. The sabaw is the best part.
No, I don't like.
You haven't even had it yet. Ayaw mo na?
You put a little salt.
It is horrible. Okay, the next
Okay, the
Wow.
next one. Okay, what's your next one?
chicken head. And Yakult.
Wow. Ah, kainin mo na kayo.
This one. As a lottery, you cannot break this. Nope.
Yung
No.
yogurt?
This is way too much.
Okay, the isaw.
Butter. The Isaw is the last one.
No, that's not the last one. The chicken feet.
The Isaw.
Hello.
I do not like
Okay.
that duck. I don't like the duck egg. I like this.
Like that. You wanna
Now
dip
give
it?
me that, please.
You wanna dip it in the vinegar? Okay. No.
And now this is my yakiniku. Well,
I don't know who you're talking about.
yo. If you like this sabaw, then have mine.
Click the like button.
You are not included. There's Auntie Nicole and me and my brother.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I don't like the ikaw.
Ano isaw? Isaw?
Isaw, I mean.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig.
Like that.
Why? Nope. Not looking at that. I'm gonna let you have my duck egg.
Your what?
I'm gonna let you have my duck egg.
Your duck?
Duck, duck, goose egg.
Oh.
No, it's not good. No.
Balut?
Okay.
Sing
Wow.
at the same time.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You dip it in the salt.
You eat the
Well,
yellow
a little.
part, not the... I mean, you can eat the white one too, but If it's hard. Not really.
No, no, no.
And which
Then
one-
the
This one, the
which
chicken
one
feet.
more then?
and then the last one is the chicken barbecue.
Chicken back.
I mean this
It's
one.
unfair. I'm going
chicken
to
barbecue.
the capital.
That one is, what is that?
And
What's that?
Chicken feet.
You
Rally.
say paan ng manok.
Paa ng
Paa
Paa
ng manok.
na what?
Manok.
Tingnan mo si Kurt.
Pa.
Manok.
I can't do this. The last one is the chicken barbecue.
Yeah, chicken barbecue.
Which is the same one that we eat all the time.
Mama. Nope.
Yeah,
Lily.
ayaw mo. All of them.
I have a chicken.
All of them I do not like. Ah! Look at this. This is so gross.
Sama.
Do you want the yellow part?
No. I hate this.
I don't like looking at the duck. It makes me
Because that's holy. That's duck egg, not chicken.
chicken feet.
So what's in
I
there?
already got.
What's in there?
Gross stuff.
Right?
Gross.
It's a duck.
It's a baby.
Wait, wait, is this a baby duck?
Yeah.
Sarap po.
You tell your daddy you're eating chicken duck.
Chicken duck.
Chicken court. Chicken.
Chicken duck.
Chicken duck egg court.
Chicken duck egg.